How special the love guests are. Hi guys, and welcome to Naija News and Entertainment, your favorite YouTube channel. From taking their time waking up to how they prepare food, the love guests surely gave us a lot of entertainment in the love pad. With so much love going around in the love pad, it has rubbed off on us, as well as we just can't get enough of the love guests. From their cooking skills to task preparations and chats in between, we just love how they do things. We've noticed that some of their actions are intentional, while others are not. So, in this article, we just want to highlight those they might not be aware of, and all in the spirit of saying, "We see you, keep going, boo." First and foremost, losing track of time. Have you noticed how late our love guests go to bed? We think it's because the conversations are so much in the love pad and no one really keeps track of time. They lose it. They stay up every night and realize it's a bad idea every morning, and we are just here pointing it out that it's an everyday regret. But what can we do than just wait for them to wake up? They start their day later than the rest of the world, and the circle just continues. Secondly, made with love. When they eventually wake up, first things first means preparing breakfast. And breakfast usually isn't 30 to 40 minutes, it's hours. Yes, they make their food with so much passion, and when it's time to eat up as couples, one little detail is never mentioned. Can you guess? Yeah, it's the food they eat that is delicious and tasty. And it's because the spoon used to cook was licked a few times before the desired taste came to life. Nice. Thirdly, observant love guests. Our love guests never run out of anything to talk about in the love pad. And that's solely because they are observant. The conversations vary from talking about their plans outside of the love pad to what certain others do and how they behave in the love pad. No, that's not gossip. We like to see them as being observant and relaying their observations to everyone willing to listen, right? We think so. Nothing wrong there. Next, slow feet. Every now and again, we all experience lazy feet where you are just trying to drag yourself from point A to B, but your feet just won't allow. So, we really can't be offended when the love guests take their time for a tax reading. We think from now on, when the tax reading is at 1300 hours, we should brace ourselves and give them a 10 to 15 minutes grace for them to gather around. It's really not their fault. Lazy feet happen to the best of us. Patience is a virtue. Either way, we enjoyed having them in the love pad, and we are going to miss everything about the love guests. And guys, don't forget to tune into African Magic Family and channel 29 on GoTV to watch the grand finale today by 3 p.m. Guys, let's know who you think is going to be the winner and what you think about these observations made about the love guests. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And if you're a new viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel Naija News and Entertainment, and also click on the bell icon to get notifications when a new story drops.